What you doing, Ellie? You holding your passy? Is that a yummy passy? You getting sleepy? Is it time for bed? Ellie. Hi, pretty. You look pretty awake to go to bed. Hi. Can you make some noises for Susu? Make your lammy noise. Make your lammy noise. Too tired, huh? And show Susu how cute you are. Your little slippers. Show her your kicky feet. Can you kick? That's a good kick. Show her your kicky feet. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh, we lost our passy. You gonna try to find your thumb? There you go. Oh, that's all better. Say night-night, Susu. Say I love you.